Module 4. Alcohol to go, delivery, and other permits. 10 minutes. Objective. This module aims to provide an overview of the different types of permits related to alcohol sales, including the regulations surrounding alcohol to go, delivery services, and private clubs, ensuring that sellers and servers understand the requirements for legal alcohol distribution. 1. Overview of alcohol permits in Texas. 3 minutes. Alcohol permits and licensing. In Texas, selling or distributing alcohol requires specific permits issued by the Texas Alcoholic Beverage Commission, TABC. These permits regulate where, how, and when alcohol can be sold or consumed, with different permits applying to different types of businesses, such as bars, restaurants, and private clubs. 2. Alcohol to go and delivery permits for minutes. Alcohol to go. Definition. Alcohol to go refers to the ability for customers to purchase alcohol in a sealed container, such as a bottle, can, or mixed drink, and take it away from the licensed premises. Recent changes in temporary permits, for example, during COVID-19. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Texas allowed alcohol to go sales from restaurants, bars, and certain businesses. While some of these temporary changes have been made permanent, it is important to check for up-to-date regulations. Requirements for to-go sales. Alcohol must be sold in a sealed container, and the seal must not be broken before the customer leaves the premises. For mixed drinks to go, the drink must be placed in a sealed bag or container that is tamper-evident. To-go alcohol must accompany food, and the business must have the appropriate license to sell alcohol. Alcohol delivery. Delivery permits. Certain businesses, such as restaurants, bars, or breweries, may be granted delivery permits to allow them to deliver alcohol to customers at their residences. Requirements for alcohol delivery. The delivery must be made by an employee of the business, who is over 18 years old for beer and wine, or over 21 years old for spirits. Alcohol delivery is only allowed when ordered alongside food in most cases, and it must comply with the same laws regarding identification and ensuring the customer is of legal drinking age. The business must ensure that the recipient is present at the time of delivery and verify the recipient's age upon delivery. 3. Private club permits. 3 minutes. What is a private club? A private club is an establishment where alcohol can be served only to members and their guests. The membership system allows these clubs to bypass certain public access restrictions and sell alcohol in a more controlled environment. Types of private club permits. Private Club Registration Permit, PCRP. This permit allows private clubs to sell and serve alcohol to members and their guests. The club must have a valid membership list and restrict access to non-members. Requirements for private clubs. Members must pay a fee to join and retain membership status. Alcohol is only served to members or their guests, and the club is not open to the general public for the sale of alcohol. The club must have regular hours of operation, maintain a record of members, and comply with TABC guidelines regarding alcohol sales and consumption, restrictions and limitations. The club cannot sell alcohol for off-premise consumption, except in specific cases allowed by the law. Members must be able to access the club's facilities and amenities, and it is illegal to operate solely as a venue for alcohol sales. For summary and key takeaways. 1 minute. Types of permits. There are various permits available for businesses that wish to sell alcohol, including licenses for alcohol to go and delivery, as well as permits for private clubs. Compliance is key. Whether you're selling alcohol, to go, delivering it, or operating a private club, it is essential to follow all legal requirements set forth by TABC to avoid fines, penalties, or loss of licensure. Stay updated. Regulations regarding alcohol sales, especially in relation to to-go and delivery services, can change frequently. Always check with TABC for the latest rules and guidelines. This module provides essential knowledge for sellers and servers regarding alcohol to go, delivery services, and private club permits, ensuring they understand the necessary compliance to safely and legally distribute alcohol.